Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today is a really special day. It's a collaboration and I hope you enjoy it. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Happy Tuesday. Um, Today's going to be a collaboration with Jessica from Measure and Mix. We decided to do a around the house collaboration. I don't know about you, but sometimes I find that doing my YouTube videos, and I'm new, I tend to neglect my normal household stuff. And so I asked her, well, actually, I saw her doing her steps. So I asked her if she would mind doing a around the house collaboration, which she said sure. I love Jessica. I've been in touch with her for a while now. I subscribe to her channel. Her channel will be linked right below in my description box. So please, after this, please go over and watch her channel. I'm sure you all know her. And this is Baby. Of course, she got to get her face in the picture. Okay, so today I'm going to be doing my countertops and my brick. So I inherited this house and it's very old. So the first thing I did was paint my cabinets and attempt to do my countertops. I tried to use, they were linoleum and I don't have much money, so I have to do everything on a dime. I attempted to do them with the stone paint by Rust-Oleum, and it looked beautiful at first. But that was about 3 years ago, I'd say, so it's starting to get yucky. So I decided to do, I decided to do contact in the marble, and we're gonna see how that works. Also, I'm gonna whitewash my brick. I actually found this brick, boxes of it, up in my attic, and they were just small pieces. It's called Easy Brick. So I went online because I came up short over on the other side, and it's really hard to get. So I never did finish, but I plan on redoing all this. It was a quick job, and I'm afraid I didn't do a very good one. So I want to use maybe semi-gloss. I'm not sure, but you know, they got really dirty, and maybe paint the knobs, and I wanted to try to leave it in the original colors, but I don't know, everything gets so dirty in the kitchen, sometimes you don't even notice it. So anyway, let's get to the project. Okay, everybody, so the first thing I do is remove everything from my counter. And that includes my powdered donuts, my favorite. After I remove everything, I give it a good wiping down. Make sure I get in the corners and all the little crumbs that can get caught up under the contact paper. Now, I chose the marble looking contact paper, and I didn't film me sanding down the countertop because I thought it was too loud. After I give it a good sanding down, I whitewash it. Now I make my paint a consistency of half water, half paint, and it's supposed to be very soupy. I paint it on, and then I take a paper towel and I wipe it off. I also paint the top where I left unfinished brick because I don't have a brick cutter. but that will be finished. I painted the top because the yellow linoleum was very noticeable. Now I'm doing the edges. I thought cutting strips for the edges made more sense because it was very hard to wrap it around the edges because I had a lot of curves. So this seemed easier for me, but I'm having trouble making it stick. I believe I probably need to sand it down more, or maybe use a little bit of glue for some help. I'm going to work on that at another time. For the video, I'm just going to leave it as is, but you can notice where it's not sticking. It's funny because some spots it does stick and some spots it doesn't. So I just noticed in my home I have an awful lot of projects that are half done. I get stuck and I can't go any further, so my goal is to finish it, but sometimes they just don't get finished. Okay, so I'm pulling the back tape off very carefully. I don't pull the whole thing off. I pull it as I go. You can use a spatula or a credit card or anything with a hard, straight edge to put it on. See how the edges, you can notice where it's not sticking. Now I put my appliances back and my little decor, and I'm actually very happy with how it turned out. The top just needs to be finished. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate it so much. Please hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button if you liked it, and hit that bell if you'd like to see more from me. In the description box, you'll find Jessica's channel, and please go watch her half of this collaboration when you're finished. Thank you so much. Thanks again, Jess.